Peace, beautiful people. Today's video is going to be a short one, but it's all about sales. So if that's something that you're interested in, please stay tuned. And as always, please help me out by liking and subscribing. So we begin here with our color layering. Before actually pouring anything in, I added at least 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the colors. And on the colors that are the heavier and more dense colors, I added 2. This is going to help to produce those cells that we're looking for in this painting. Something that I found works for me when I'm doing my flip cups, if I'm not doing a flip cup and drag, then just a slight squeeze of the cup to prep that air pressure seems to help it release a little bit better and get those colors to spread throughout the canvas a bit better for me. And we see here, I got my torch going. When producing cells as well as getting rid of air bubbles, your torch is going to be integral to that process. So whether it's a torch or some other type of direct heat source, you're going to want to use that to make them pop. As you can see here, you see they're already starting to show themselves. What I've also found is that it works better to apply your heat prior to your tilting of the canvas. That is how you actually get those larger cells to create, because they are going to start to stretch just like your paint normally would, and that is what creates some of the larger cells that you're seeing there, as well as keeping some of the deviation and some variance amongst the size of cells that you have spread out the canvas. As you see here, I try to turn the canvas a bit more towards you guys when tilting, but as with anything, I got to see exactly what it is that I'm doing. So sometimes I may veer it back to me a bit more, but right now all I'm focusing on is getting a bit more movement there. I really want that gold to not be pocketed, so I'm really manipulating this canvas, stretching that paint out. Even slight maneuvers, slight shifts can make a difference in it, and you'll see how that works out here in a second. And there we are. I absolutely love the effect of metallics, especially with the way that these colors are moving. That metallic green as well as that metallic gold against those other shades and variations, it actually adds so much depth and variance. And as you see with that gold, just like I was speaking of, that stretching is what we want, and it just looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please check out some of the other videos and help me out by liking and subscribing and supporting the channel. Until next time.